wow, I got a shave. Holy crap. Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna make a new vlog. I'm still getting into the vlogging business, or not business, but vlogging experience, making vlogs. And so today I'm going to a water park with my friend that I went with, one of my friends that I went with to Azomski. The previous video, if you have not seen that one, go check it out. If you guys have not seen the aquabogging video from, I believe, 2 years ago, go check that one out. Pretty good video. I think it got like 3,000 views or something like that. Damn. But I'm going to the same water park, aquabogging, with my friend, and it is currently 9:15, and I gotta call him at 10:30 because he texted me at 7:44 asking if I could call him to wake him up because his alarms do not work. Also, guys, I'm also waiting for a GoPro because I recently ordered a GoPro on Wednesday. I ordered a GoPro, the GoPro Hero 6, which is the latest one, $400. A little expensive, but I do get paid today too, which is pretty cool. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna be vlogging. We're gonna be going to the water park. If I can actually get the GoPro in time to go to the water park before we go to the water park, maybe I'll get some footage using the new GoPro. But if it doesn't come by then I'm gonna have to stick with the Hero Session and the GoPro Hero 3. Anyways, that was just an update on what's gonna happen today. So it's gonna be a type of vlog. I'm gonna try this out. I've not really vlogged that much, and I'm still trying to get used to it. So if this video ends up being the worst video you've ever seen, don't blame me. Damn, it literally just got here. Oh my god, the new GoPro. I'm about to open this up. Damn, oh my god! It's so cool. I thought it was gonna be, it actually looks a little smaller. I thought the box would be bigger. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it came. Alright, so it is currently 10:21. I'm going to try and set this up right now. And if I don't get to time, well, oh well. But yeah, I'm gonna try and set this up. So, yeah.
Hey, this is Noah. Leave a message at the tone.
At the tone,
Can't talk.
please record your message.
Can't talk.
When you have
Text
finished
me.
recording, you may hang up or press.
Alright.
Wait, let me see the GoPro. I want to see that.
The GoPro?
Yeah.
This isn't the GoPro. This is the camera. This is my regular
No,
camera. See, I'm recording right now.
He's a stalker. I'm just doing.
Pretty fun day out. Not that hot, not too cold. Yeah, bro, what you got for lunch? Well, what's for lunch too?
Trey and Cody.
I want one.
You know the Cody and Trey.
Here you go.
And Cody.
Is that a vlogging camera?
Yeah, this is gonna be a vlog.
Fine.
Wow, that ship's almost as big as you. Yeah, I should probably get lunch. It's 12:30. Yeah, I'm gonna get lunch.
thing is huge.
That's what she said.
Oh god.
Yo, I don't know when we're gonna turn. What is this? Oh no! Oh no, this is already, I can already feel this. Robin, hold on.
Help! I'm
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh, here comes the big one. Here it comes, boys. Two. Are you okay?
So we're on Alex's. I keep looking up here, but the lens is down here, so I cut off my half. But we're at Aquaboggin. We just stole Alex's vlog camera.
Yeah.
Karate camp here.
Hey.
Who do we have? We have
We're awesome.
Ainsley. That's Helen. Joey. Here's Ainsley, right here. Emily. Talia.
Hi.
Madison. Grace. And then Kira and Mila. Alright. So then over here,
Don't forget yourself.
if you look way up there, oh wait, you can't see them. Can I zoom in? How do I zoom in? Oh, here. I don't think you can see them, but there's a triple tube up there somewhere, and that's where our kids are. We're hanging out. Look, there it is.
I put sunscreen on you. It's
Go
gonna help.
up. You go all the way back down.
I didn't get one.
Oh, our kids are getting ready to go. Guys, the kids are getting ready to go.
Okay.
There they go. Whoa, there they go.
Who was that? Okay. You're banning too tough. You're gonna I bet Joey's done by Robin.
All right, guys, we're gonna sign out. Let's all say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, now point it to me.
Bye. Ready? And put your hand on the lens.